everybody. Greg Blackall here. And there's been a lot of talk recently about KV Core. And it's a program that some of the other brokerages in our market and throughout the country have started using. And one of the things that people are really excited about with it is that it gives you the opportunity to get leads from Facebook. Well, what a lot of you guys may or may not know is that we have a tool that actually does the same thing, and we give it to you for free. And it's called this Smart Lead Capture. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this, and it's just going to be a quick video on how to use this tool and just kind of show you guys what it does and how it works. So right here on your FLR office home screen, you're going to see the Smart Lead Capture button. When you click on that, you're going to be given the option to either choose one of your active listings or to create an authorization form. If you don't have a listing, or if you want to market somebody else's listing, all you have to do is go in and create this new listing authorization form. It asks you for the MLS ID of the property that you want to market, and then you create the authorization form. From here, you can send it to the agent that has the listing, and you can actually get authorization to market their property. Now, in this case, let me go back here. We're going to go back into Smart Lead Capture. I'm just going to use one of the listings that we have just to be able to show you guys how it works. So once you get the authorization form back, however, that one that you have authorization for will show up under other agent listings. It'll actually be right here that you could choose. But I'm just going to grab this one, and then you go to Select Photos and Settings. Yep. Okay, let's go back. I guess because that one had already sold. Excuse me, let's try this one. There we go. Okay, so when you come in, it shows you the photo layout. So photo 1 is top left, photo 2 is bottom left, and then 3, 4, and 5 go down the right side. So I'm just going to grab a couple of photos here. Let's see, we'll make this number 3, and we'll grab maybe the backyard, and then maybe the patio, something like that. Whatever the best features are of this home, you want to choose those 5 photos. And then pick your button, basically. What do you want your button to say? In this case, I'm just going to say free property details. When a lead submit a form, you're going to get an email, get a text, and it creates a record in My Leads. I encourage you to leave all 3 of those checked. So when you click next, it'll pull this information in. The 5 photos I selected are here, and it shows that there are 26 other photos in here as well. Now, right here, it says to post on Facebook. It gives you the instructions. Log into your Facebook account, change to the page that you're posting to. So just in the interest of time, I've already gone over to Tampa Bay Homes for Sale. And this just happens to be a group that you can join. And when it comes in here, it says, what are you selling? So click on what are you selling? And at the top is going to be your title. So this will be beautiful Tarpon Springs home within walking distance to the beach. Okay. Price, you put in your sales price, 170,000. This one is in Tarpon Springs, so it is 34688, I believe. And then it says describe your item. So what we want to do then is first come over, and it says copy image. So it tells you right in the instructions, click the copy button. So copy image. You come back over here, and then when you click on describe item, you're going to hit the control button and then the letter V, like Victor. And what it does is it pastes your photo down here. And then we're going to come back, and we're going to just right here, this red button that says click to copy. You're going to left click on that so you copy it. And then when you come back again, you're going to do Control V to paste, and it puts it in there. Now you notice that it has this flr.biz/W47. This is actually a single page website that anybody who clicks on this is going to be taken to. And in order to get all of the property information that they need, they're going to have to give you their name, their phone number, and their email address. This is a free lead for somebody that's interested in this property. So we're going to go ahead and click next. Oops, there we go, next. And it takes you here. So by default, it automatically clicks to Tampa Bay Homes for Sale because that's the page we started from. But you also have other options. So if you had joined other home groups like Tampa Home Decor, Tampa List Prehub, Tampa Bay Homes for Sale, you can go in and actually post to multiple groups all at the same time. So I would encourage you guys to go in and join all of these home for sale groups because that's what they're intended to do. So at that point, it allows you the opportunity to post this to the Facebook Marketplace and to these other groups all with one click. So we're going to go through, and then when you're done, you're going to click post, and it'll get posted to all these other groups. And for this one, I'm not going to because it's already under contract, but I wanted to show you guys how to do it. When you do that, it posts, and then you guys start getting Facebook leads right to your messenger. So people can send you messages, or when they go into this website, they actually go in and you will get their name, their phone number, and their email address, and you can follow up with them. This is a great way to utilize Facebook to get free leads. And it's something that Florida Luxury gives you, and you can go in and be able to get leads absolutely free to be able to go in and keep growing your business. So I hope that was helpful. And if you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, go out and sell a million. Have a great day.